just a quick hands-on with the Amazon Basics 15-in-1 pocket knife. It comes in a nylon sheet that does the job, fits pretty well in there. It has all the basic functionality you'd expect from a pocket knife. It has a blade, which is not very sharp. I've been cutting bits of paper with it, and eventually it goes cut, but a bit more tears than cuts. The scissors is much better. It cuts pretty well compared to other pocket knives that I've had in the past, so that's good. The rest of it is standard stuff. It has your Phillips screwdriver, a few other little multi-tools, a file that, again, it's not particularly sharp. It also has a corkscrew, which I would not depend on to open bottles. It's a little bit weak and a little bit kind of flexible, so yeah, I wouldn't depend on that. It has screwdrivers. Some of these can be a little hard to get out if your fingernails are not very long. It has your standard flathead screwdriver. It has a can opener that, again, is not sharp, so that could be difficult to use. All in all, it's a cheap pocket knife. The build quality represents that, so I don't regret buying it, but I don't know if I would recommend it if you needed to depend on an everyday carry kind of knife. That's it.
ভেরি গুড প্রোডাক্টটা খুবই সুন্দর এবং পারফরমেন্সও খুব ভালো দিচ্ছে। চাকুতে ভালোই ধার আছে, স্ক্রুড্রাইভারও আছে, প্লাস বাট এই ক্যাঁচিটা কিন্তু কাজ করে না। চাকুটা কিন্তু খুবই অসাধারণ যে খুবই ধার এবং ধারালো, লুকিং ভেরি গুড। সব থেকে বড় কথা হচ্ছে যে এটা তুমি তোমার প্যান্টের বেল্টের জায়গায় আটকাতে পারবে। এই লকটা এখানে দেওয়া আছে, খুবই সুন্দর, দেখতেও অসাধারণ, দারুণ একদম। Okay guys, thank you.
I'll be unboxing this army knife, which I just received today from Amazon. It's the size of a nice, good packing. There is a size, looks very strong, sturdy. Material also seems to be really good. Okay, let me just open one by one. That's the one opener. Second one, the scissor.
Fine. Now, the question here is